This is the product that we're going to be reviewing today. This is Chemical Guy's HydroSuds Ceramic Car Wash Soap. Going to see the application, how to use it, and then of course the results. So adding some water. Using a microfiber mitt. I'm washing the car. And then of course rinsing it. As you can see, it's beaten up real nice. It's not hurting that ceramic coating at all. I spent a lot of time putting it on there. I don't want to mess it up. And as you can see, the product works great. And the results are simply exquisite. I give this product 2 thumbs up. You can mainly get it offline. You might be able to find it in some other stores, some specialty shops, but if you have a ceramic coating, this is a good do-it-yourself soap. If you're just someone that has a ceramic coating on your car and you take pride in taking care of it yourself, this product is awesome.